Hey, what's up everyone? Doing a Tundra windshield wiper replacement. So if your style looks like this, it's like a square. It might look a little tricky, but it's actually super simple. Basically what you want to do is come to your one that's on the windshield, use 2 fingers on each side and pull this square part up. It's just basically a lid. Use 2 fingers and it comes up like that. Pretty much you just pull the sides up, away from the blade, and then you should be able to lift that up. This should come straight out. Just lift it straight up and let your wiper blade just fall off. You might have to wiggle it off. Your new one, just open it up the same way. So here's my new one, and I'm just going to open this lid like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and very carefully I'm going to put this underneath the arm and then lay it into this. It should fit right in. It might give you a little resistance, so just keep moving it. You shouldn't have to struggle with it. If you're struggling with it, it's not going right. So get it in place like that. That's how it should look. Let me zoom in. It should just fall right into place. You might have to finagle it in there to get in place, and then all you do is you shut this lid, and then that is it. Make sure it shuts all the way to clip on the side to hold it. Lift it up, test it out, and that is it. All right, thanks for watching.